Assalamu alaikum students. This is Monday, December 21, 2020. I am Asim bin Salim and I welcome you all in the science class with a new topic for today. The topic for today is environmental pollution. So let's discuss what is environment and what is pollution. So environment is the atmosphere or weather around us in which we live is known as an environment. And what is the pollution? Pollution is the contamination of our environment with some harmful and poisonous substances. So, in our environment, we have soil, water, air. All these are the components of our environment. And when we pollute these components of the environment, this is known as environmental pollution. So these harmful substances due to which we contaminate or we harm our environment are known as pollutants. These can cause serious illness in humans and other living organisms. So what are the kinds of pollution? There are three main kinds of pollution that are air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. So this means our environment mainly comprises of three main components that are air, water and land in which we live. So here you can see the examples that solid waste uh, causing the land pollution and the smoke coming out from the chimneys and industries is causing air pollution, and on the left side you can watch how water is being polluted due to these waste materials that we throw into the water. So let's talk about air pollution. Air pollution occurs when the air contains gases, dust, fumes, or any other harmful substances. These harmful substances can cause damage to the health of humans and animals and also to the plants. So air pollution is that we use some harmful gases. For example, the smoke coming out from the chimneys and industries that is polluting our environment. In nowadays in winters, you often see in the morning when we have a very cold morning, we see smoke covering over the atmosphere, due to which the sunlight doesn't reach earth at the right time. And often you see that in Punjab and Lahore we see a lot of smoke in the atmosphere, due to which several accidents are being caused on the motorways or highways. This is all because of the air pollution that we are producing, we are damaging, we are harming our environment, our air to contaminate. This air pollution results in the damaging of ozone layer that is protecting us from the harmful rays coming out from the sun. So these harmful rays, when reaches the earth, they cause serious damaging to the plant life and as well as to the animal life. So we have to restrict these pollutants. We have to avoid these pollutants uh, that are damaging our environment. So what are the major causes of air pollution? So fuels from automobiles, industries, smoke, high proportion of poisonous gases such as carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide. So जैसा कि गाड़ियों में जो है ना, जब फ्यूल बर्न होता है तो उसके नतीजे में एक स्मोक प्रोड्यूस होता है. वो स्मोक बेसिकली आपकी एयर में जाता है और आपकी एयर को कंटेमिनेट करता है, जिससे आपकी एयर जो है वो पोल्यूट होती है. And what are the effects of air pollution? So air pollution affects human health, animals, plants and whole environment, as I already explained. So let's move on to water pollution, how we are polluting our water and what are the major causes and what are the effects of water pollution. So we contaminate water with some harmful substances. For example, the wastes coming out from the chimneys and from the industries that are being thrown into the water, into the rivers and canals, and that contaminated water is being drunk by the animals and birds that are damaging the environment. And secondly, this water is being filtered out and used in the societies. So this thing damages our water. Harmful substances damage the water and pollute it. Then, what are the major causes of water pollution? So, industrial waste, sewage, mainly from households, oil spilling, and underground storage leaks are major causes of water pollution. So, what are the effects of water pollution? Water pollution can cause many problems and disease. It can cause cholera, malaria, and typhoid. Animals in water can die due to water pollution. For example, these water polluted water when goes into the rivers and seas where we have water animals like fishes that are being affected due to this pollutant water. So let's move on to land pollution. How we are contaminating our land. So all that plastic and dirt that we throw on the ground dirties the land, and when we do not maintain the hygiene, then these disease spreads and we get ill. So land pollution is mainly caused due to the dirt and waste and plastics that we throw into the soil without taking care. So as we litter our waste into the main streets, that must be avoided, as there are some non biodegradable elements. For example, plastic नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल एलिमेंट्स या मटेरियल्स मींस के ऐसे एलिमेंट जिनकी लाइफ आप ख़त्म नहीं कर सकते. फॉर एग्जांपल प्लास्टिक है, अगर आप उसको ज़मीन के अंदर भी बरी करके रखते हैं कुछ अरसा के लिए, आफ्टर सम ईयर्स अगर आप उसको दोबारा उस ज़मीन से बाहर निकालेंगे तो वो डिकम्पोज नहीं हुआ होगा, वो प्लास्टिक एज इट इज़ वहाँ पे रहता है. और ये प्लास्टिक फिर जब फ्लो करता है, बारिश होती है, उसके साथ ही प्लास्टिक फ्लो करके जाते हैं, फिर हमारे जो सीवरेज का निज़ाम है उसको डैमेज करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से वाटर पोल्यूशन भी होती है और साथ साथ हमारी लैंड को भी पोल्यूट किया जाता है. सो व्हाट नेक्स्ट? द मेजर काजेज ऑफ लैंड पोल्यूशन: sewage waste, industrial waste, household garbage, and mining are the major causes of land pollution. So here you can see in the figures that the wastes are being thrown out in open land where animals are coming to eat some grass, and during that here they have the plastic, and they can even eat the plastic that can cause damage to them. And how can we reduce the pollution? There are some measures that how we can reduce the pollution, that are, we can avoid air pollution by taking some steps as below. We should use natural gas like liquid petroleum gas in automobiles. We should use less amount of fuels for vehicles and try to use bicycles. We should avoid using electric stoves since it can produce some poisonous gases. So हम इस पोल्यूशन से कैसे रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे भी कुछ स्टेप्स लिखेंगे. उससे बेहतर ये है कि फॉर एग्जांपल हम गाड़ियों में अगर फ्यूल यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो मॉडर्न डे के अंदर आपके पास जो इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स आ रही हैं, या हमें ऐसा फ्यूल यूज़ करना चाहिए जो कम से कम स्मोक प्रोड्यूस करे. सेकेंडली, जैसा इंडस्ट्रीज़ के अंदर फॉसिल फ्यूल जब बर्न होता है तो उसकी वजह से आपके पास जो स्मोक प्रोड्यूस होता है उसको अवॉइड करने का ये तरीका है कि हम अपनी इंडस्ट्रीज़ को रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सोर्सेज पे लेके जाएं. फॉर एग्जांपल, वहाँ बेसिकली मेनली जो फ्यूल यूज़ होता है वो किस लिए यूज़ किया जाता है? टू प्रोड्यूस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. वो फ्यूल से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट कर रहे होते हैं. तो अगर हम कोई ऐसा सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन यूज़ करें जो कि हार्मफुल ना हो आपके इन्वायरमेंट के लिए, फॉर एग्जांपल सोलर एनर्जी जो इस वक्त मोस्ट सूटेबल रिन्यूएबल का सोर्स है वो है सोलर एनर्जी। तो हम सोलर एनर्जी को यूज़ कर सकते हैं, यानी लाइट कमिंग फ्रॉम द सन कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू electrical energy. So this is the great source to replace with the fossil fuels that are burning in our industries. So these are some uh, fields or domains that we can improve to avoid from this pollution. So how we can, being a person, being a citizen, being a part of our society, how we can reduce, we can avoid from water pollution. So here are some steps: that industries should not deposit their waste in rivers and other water bodies. Rivers should not be used for washing clothes or bathing animals. uh, do not pour or flush everything in your sink or toilets. Organize participate in a cleanup campaign. Spread awareness among people. We should not use polythene bags, यानी प्लास्टिक बैग जो हम यूज़ करते हैं, इनसे हमें अवॉइड करना चाहिए। हम हर चीज़ अपनी सिंक्स के अंदर, अपनी टॉयलेट्स के अंदर फेंक देते हैं, ऐसा हमें नहीं करना चाहिए। वी शुड नॉट वेस्ट पेपर इन स्कूल और एट होम। तो हम स्कूल्स के अंदर या घरों के अंदर जो है ना, पेपर और रैपर्स वगैरह ट्रैश कर देते हैं, हर जगह जगह फेंक देते हैं। इस तरह से हमें इन चीज़ों से अवॉइड करना चाहिए। वी शुड नॉट थ्रो थिंग्स on the road or streets. So these are some ethics and some moral guidelines to avoid pollution in our environment. That's all from today. And the homework for today is, you have to solve the MCQs in the exercise that is being provided to you. The answers are being provided on the portal. That's all. Thank you so much.